हेलो दोस्तों, राम सेस एकेडमी ऑफ मैथ्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इक्वालिटी ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, जिसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि व्हेन वी कैन राइट ऑन टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स आर इक्वल और व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस व्हेन टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स आर इक्वल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। As we discussed in introduction, any complex number having two parts, one is a real part and another one is a imaginary part. Let if the complex number is given by z is equal to a plus ib, then a called as real part and ib called as imaginary part. So any complex number having these two terms, real part and imaginary part, and this is very important to keep in mind to understand any concept of a complex number. Let understand in detail. If first complex number we have z1 is equal to x plus iy and z2 is equal to a plus ib, so when we can write on these two complex numbers are equal. So when real part of the first complex number is equal to real part of the second complex number, that is x has to be equal to a, and imaginary part of first complex number is equal to imaginary part of the second complex number, that is y is equal to b, then we can say or we can write z1 is equal to z2. So this is what the condition when two complex numbers are equal. Real parts are equal and imaginary parts are equal. Let's understand by a simple example. If z1 is equal to, we have 2 plus 3i, and z2 is equal to, we have c plus id, and given to us z1 is equal to z2. So when z1 is equal to z2, meaning the real part of z1, which is 2, has to be equal to real part of the z2, which is c. So c का value we obtained as 2. Similarly, imaginary part of z1, which is 3, and imaginary part of z2, which is d, has to be equal, because already given to us two complex numbers are equal. So by equality of two complex number, we can find out answer of any variable which is present in the equation. So let's understand question related to this concept. So question number 3 from the exercise 1.1, find value of a and b if a plus b multiplied by 2 plus I is equal to b plus 1 plus in bracket 10 plus 2a into I. This is what the condition is given, and by using this condition we have to find out value of a and b. So let's start with the given information. We'll write down question as it is, which we have a plus b multiplied by 2 plus I, and this is equal to, on right hand side we have b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2a multiplied by I. So on left hand side, as you are observing, we have two bracket. Simply multiply this two bracket, and we all know how to multiply this two bracket. Previous lecture में हमने ये discuss भी किया था. तो a into 2 gives you 2a, a into I gives you a into I, plus b into 2 gives you 2b, and b into I gives you b into I, which is bi. राइट हैंड साइड में नो ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लीकेशन, वैसे भी मल्टीप्लीकेशन है नहीं. राइट ऑन ऑल रियल टर्म टुगेदर. तो b एंड 1 बोथ आर रियल बिकॉज दोनों के साथ I नहीं है. सो विल राइट देम इन वन ब्रैकेट, मीनिंग वी आर राइटिंग देम टुगेदर, and here 10 plus 2a already together with each other. So next step, on left hand side also we'll write on all real term together, which are 2a plus 2b. These two terms are real, and write on imaginary term together by taking I common. So we get a plus b into I, and right hand side is b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2a multiplied by I. Now two complex numbers are equal. Left में आप check करेंगे तो we have a complex number, and right hand side also we have a complex number. So compare real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part. So that gives you 2a plus 2b is equal to b plus 1, Now simplify this. Shift all the variable on left hand side gives you 2a plus 2b minus b is equal to 1. So when we simplify, we get 2a plus b is equal to 1. We are getting an equation from here directly. Value of a and b is not possible. So we'll mark this as equation number 1. Similarly, now compare imaginary part. So we get a plus b is equal to 10 plus 2a. So again shift all the variable on left hand side. That gives you a minus 2a plus b is equal to 10. So when we simplify, a minus 2a gives you minus a plus b is equal to 10. Again we get an equation. Let's mark this as equation number 2. So these are the two equations we have. Now for finding value of a and b, we have to simplify these two equations. So let's simplify this two equation. The first one is 2a plus b is equal to 1. Below that, the second equation which we have is minus a plus b is equal to 10. So when we subtract them, we will get value of a and b. So this minus become plus since we are subtracting, plus become minus, and this plus become minus. So in next step we can cancel plus b and minus b. It's a simple two linear equation how we are solving. And next step we are getting 3a is equal to 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 9. So a ka value we are getting as a ka value, when we simplify, we shift this 3 on left hand side, we get a is equal to minus 9 whole divided by 3, which is equal to minus 3. So a ka value आपको मिल गया. Now in next step what we'll write on, put a equal to minus 3 in any one equation. Choice ours. So we are writing in the equation number 2. So if you write in equation number 2 instead of a minus 3, we get minus of minus 3 plus b is equal to 10. So minus into minus gives you plus 3 plus b is equal to 10. So for finding value of b, shift 3 on left hand side. We get b is equal to 10 minus 3, which is 7. So at the end, a ka value we obtained as minus 3 and b ka value we obtained as 7, which we require. And if you substitute this value in the given information, 100% you will get LHS is equal to RHS. The next question is again from the main question number 3. A into b multiplied by I is equal to 3a minus b plus 12i. So let's start with this one. The given information is ab multiplied by I is equal to 3a minus b plus 12i. So on left hand side we don't have any real term because एक ही term दिख रहा है आपको ab into I. So you can write on this as 0 plus ab into I, because real part is absent, it is represented by 0. And on right hand side this 3a and minus b are real because दोनों के साथ I नहीं है. So we are writing them in one bracket. So we are getting 3a minus b plus 12i. Now on left hand side we have a complex number and on right hand side also we have a complex number. So compare these two complex numbers to find out value of a and b. So two complex numbers are equal, meaning the real part is equal to real part. So we get 0 is equal to 3a minus b. So if we shift minus b on left, so that minus b become plus b, we will get b is equal to 3a. So instead of getting a value, we get a condition. So let's mark this as equation number 1, which we use for further reference. In next step, we have ABI, which is an imaginary term. Compare with imaginary term 12i on right hand side. So we get a into b is equal to 12 by comparing imaginary part. But value of b which we obtained in equation number 1, that we can substitute here. So we get a multiplied by b and the value of b is 3a which is equal to 12. So in next step you can write down, before writing next step, from where we can write down this value of b. So as a reason we will write down from 1. So next step, 3a multiplied by a gives you 3a square is equal to 12. So a square is equal to, we are getting, after dividing 3 on right, we get 4. So after getting value of a square equal to 4, we can find out value of a by taking square root on both the sides. So when we do square root on both sides, we get a is equal to plus minus 2. Be careful here, don't write only 2, because whenever we are taking square root, there are two possible values are there, plus as well as minus. Now one by one we'll substitute. We are writing when a is equal to 2, substitute in equation number 1. So we get b is equal to 3 into a, where a ka value is 2. So we get 3 2s are 6, which is the first value for b. And now when we have a is equal to minus 2, and when we substitute in the equation number 1, again we get b is equal to 3 into a, and the value of a we have as minus 2. So overall answer we get as minus 6. So a का दो value है, that two values are plus minus 2, and b का also we have same, again two values, which is plus minus 6. मतलब when a positive, here we are getting b also positive, and when a is negative, we are getting b also negative. So these are the two possible value we are getting for a and two possible value for b. So very important, it's not a linear equation, type of quadratic equation you can write down. So important one. Let's discuss one more. Let's continue one more question of this type. And the question is, main question number 3, again find out value of a and b. Question given to us is 1 upon a plus ib is equal to 3 minus 2i. This is what the given information is. So number of ways are there to simplify this type of question, but the simplest way we'll discuss. Nothing is there in this denominator of 3 minus 2i, so we can write down as 1. And now what we do? We do invertendo. Invertendo will help us to find out value of a and b easily. So we get in invertendo, after doing invertendo, a plus ib whole divided by 1 is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2y. So after doing invertendo, in next step what we do, for finding value of a and b, a plus ib whole divided by 1 हम नहीं लिखेंगे, and on right hand side which we have 1 upon 3 minus 2y, so 3 minus 2y का हम conjugate multiply करेंगे. So when we multiply conjugate of 3 minus 2y, which is 3 plus 2y whole divided by 3 plus 2y, then it becomes simple for us to find out value of a and b. तो left hand side में आपको कोई change नहीं करना है, as it is a plus ib, and on right hand side when we multiply 1 with this 3 plus 2y, there is no change, we are getting 3 plus 2y, and in denominator we have 3 minus 2y, 3 plus 2y, which gives you a formula of a square minus b square. So a के जगह पे we have as 3 and b के जगह पे we have as 2y. So in next step we get 3 plus 2y whole divided by 3 का square 9 minus 2 का square 4 and I का square is I square. So moving further, in next step we get a plus ib is equal to, numerator we have 3 plus 2y whole divided by, as we know I square का value is minus 1. So when we multiply minus 1 with minus 4 gives you plus 4. So in next step we get 3 plus 2y whole divided by 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. This is what answer of a plus ib we get. So on right hand side separate this 30, which is a common denominator, with numerator. So we get 3 divided by 13 plus 2 divided by 13 साथ में multiply by I. And now compare this a plus ib with 3 by 13 plus 2 by 13, that is real part compared with real part. So that gives you A ka value as 3 by 13, and compare imaginary part with imaginary part, that gives you B is equal to 2 by 13. So this is what the simple way to find out value of A and B for this question, and that concept is the inward tendo. अगर आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then you have to solve some equations and then you will get value of A and B. But this is what the simplest way to find out value of A and B for this type of question. Let's discuss next question. Let's continue the next main question, question number 24. Again here also we use equality of complex number. And the question is find value of x and y which satisfy given equation. This is what the first equation given, which is sub question number 2. Given to us x plus 1 upon 1 plus I plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I is equal to I. So whenever we solve this type of question, we have two rational numbers or fractions are there, then always you will think about denominator. Denominator को हमेशा ध्यान दे. तो denominator is here is 1 plus I and 1 minus I, and they are conjugate of each other. So whenever in denominator we have conjugate of each other, the basic first step always which you will do is the cross multiplication. So we do cross multiplication. So we have x plus 1 multiply by 1 minus I plus y minus 1 multiply by 1 plus I whole divided by 1 plus I multiply by 1 minus I, which is equal to I. This is what a cross multiplication के बाद we will get. So numerator में will multiply two brackets. So multiply x with 1 gives you x minus xi plus 1. Then next one is minus I. Then moving further, multiply the brackets, we will get y plus iy minus 1 and minus I whole divided by, if we check the denominator properly, in denominator we can use a formula of a square minus b square, which is a plus b and a minus b. So when we apply this formula, we get in denominator a का square मतलब 1 का square minus b का square मतलब I का square, and this will be equal to I, which is already present in on right hand side. Now numerator check, is there any cancellations? If cancel will do, otherwise leave it. So we are observing plus 1 and minus 1 we can cancel. So after this cancellation, what left? So we will write on x minus xi minus I and minus I दो बार है, तो we are writing them together as minus 2i plus y plus iy whole divided by 1 का square is 1 and I का square is minus 1, which is equal to I. Now numerator, again what we do, we'll write down the term as it is, x minus xi minus 2i plus y plus iy whole divided by minus into minus in between, we have it become plus, so we are getting 1 plus 1, that is nothing but equal to 2 is equal to I. Now next step what we do, whatever we are getting in denominator में 2, वो हम 2 को right में shift कर देते हैं. So after shifting that 2 on right hand side, and in numerator we are writing all real term together and imaginary term together. So we get, after getting all real term together, we get x plus y which are real, we are writing them together, and imaginary term में है minus x, imaginary term मतलब जिसके साथ आया है, minus x minus 2 plus y is equal to, we are getting multiply by I is equal to, we are getting 2i. This is what when we shift 2 from denominator into the right hand side and writing all real and imaginary term together. In next step we can write on this as x plus y plus minus x minus 2 plus y multiply by I, and right hand side we have 2i, real term is absent, and that can be written as 0 plus 2i, and now we can easily check there are two complex number which are equal. So when we compare, we are getting real part compared with the real part of right hand side, which is 0. So we are getting x plus y is equal to 0. So therefore we can modify this and we can write down x is equal to minus y. This is what the relation which we obtained. Now compare imaginary part, that gives you minus x minus 2 plus y which is equal to 2. Imaginary part को imaginary part से compare किया. Now already we derived value of x. x के जगह पे we can write on minus y. So we get minus y minus 2 plus y is equal to 2. So minus into minus gives you plus y. Minus 2 will shift on right. So it become plus y is equal to 2 plus 2. So we are getting y plus y is equal to 2y. So 2y is equal to 4. That gives you y is equal to 2. अब y का value 2 मिला. So we can substitute this value in the first information which we derived, x is equal to minus y. So therefore we can write on x is equal to minus y. But y का value we derived as माइनस ऑफ 2, क्योंकि y का वैल्यू 2 है, माइनस साइन पहले से, तो x का वैल्यू भी ऑब्टेन्ड एज माइनस 2. सो बी केयरफुल, इंपॉर्टेंट सम. और अगर आपको स्टार्टिंग में x इक्वल टू माइनस वाई नहीं क्लिक होता तो यू कैन सॉल्व बाय टू लीनियर इक्वेशन. बट हियर आई यूज्ड इन अ 9th स्टैंडर्ड वी डन विद सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. सो वो तरीके से सम को सॉल्व करवाए जिससे दोनों रिविजन हो जाए. लेट्स मूव फर्दर टू अंडरस्टैंड वन मोर. Let's discuss one more question from main question number 24. Find value of x and y which satisfy given condition. This is the given condition is, and also we have to find out x plus y which is given in the question. मतलब x plus y का वैल्यू फाइंड करने के, x और y का वैल्यू फाइंड करने के बाद आपको x plus y भी ढूंढना है. So let's start with the given information. Given information में if we check we have I raised to 6 as well as I raised to 3. So let first we derive I raised to 6 and I raised to 3 already so that we can replace it. So I raised to 6 can be written as I square का power as 3 and I square का value we always get as minus 1 का cube. So we will get answer as minus 1. तो जहाँ पे भी I raised to 6 दिख रहा है we have to replace it by minus 1. Similarly I cube can be written as I cube is equal to I square multiply by I, जिसमें I square का वैल्यू होता है minus 1 multiply by I which gives you minus I. So wherever we have I cube we will replace it by minus I. So let's continue with the question. With this replacement we will get x plus 2I plus 15 multiply by I raised to 6 का वैल्यू as minus 1 into y is equal to 7x plus I cube का वैल्यू is minus I multiply by y plus 4. So we replace I raised to 6 and I raised to 3 by their respective values. The further simplification gives you x plus 2y and 15 ones are 15 which gives you minus 15 साथ में y is equal to 7x minus of y plus 4 multiply by I. तो मैंने I को थोड़ा साइड में लिख दिया, उससे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप वो पहले भी लिख सकते हैं माइनस के साथ. Moving on further, writing like term together on left hand side. So left hand side like terms are x minus 15y which are real. Like term मतलब they are real term and imaginary term is 2y. On left hand side we have 7x minus of y plus 4 into y. They are already in the form of real term minus imaginary term. So comparison, real part with real part, imaginary part with imaginary part. That gives you x minus 15y is equal to 7x. So when we shift everything on left we get x minus 7x minus 15y is equal to 0. So we get in next step x minus 7x is minus 6x minus 15y which is equal to 0. Now divide throughout by minus 3 gives you 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. We are getting a linear equation. We'll mark it as equation number 1. Now we compare imaginary part with imaginary part. So imaginary part we have 2 is equal to minus of y plus 4. So let's separate, let's continue from this. So what we get if we continue, so we will get answer as 2 is equal to माइनस वाई माइनस 4. सो माइनस वाई को हम लेफ्ट में लाते हैं और लेफ्ट से 2 को राइट में लेके जाते हैं. सो वी गेट वाई इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 माइनस 4. सो वी आर गेटिंग वाई इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6. and now when we substitute this value, put y equal to minus 6 in equation 1. In equation number 1 we get answer as 2x plus 5y, लेकिन y का वैल्यू तो माइनस 6 है, इज इक्वल टू 0. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी गेट 2x minus 30 is equal to 0. So next step we are getting 2x is equal to 30, and when we simplify we are getting x is equal to 15. So from this we obtain value of x, which is 15, as well as the value of y, which is minus 6, which we require. So in next step we have to find out x plus y. So therefore we are writing here x plus y is equal to, x का वैल्यू 15, y का वैल्यू minus 6. 15 में से minus 6 गया, we are getting x plus y is equal to 9. So this is what the final answer we require, but before that you have to find out value of x as well as y. तो वो फाइंड करने के बाद हमने x plus y फाइंड किया. I hope you all understood with this concept. Let's discuss the last question of this type. Again from the main question number 24, sub question number 2 we will discuss. If we check again the given information, तो सबसे पहले ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में डिनोमिनेटर चेक करें. So if we check denominator, we have 2 plus 3 and 2 minus 3 I. So they are conjugate of each other. So in this type of question, always you prefer to do cross multiplication. So let's do cross multiplication. You all are very much comfortable with this. तो हमने directly cross multiplication वाला step लिख दिया. Now we multiply in numerator 2 brackets which we have. So what we get when we multiply x into 2 minus 3y gives you 2x minus 3x साथ में I. Then next step plus 2y multiplied by I. Then next minus 3y multiplied by I square. This is what multiplication of first two bracket. Let's continue. Now again we'll multiply, so 2 2s are 4 plus 2y plus 6i, and next step we will get 3i square whole divided by the denominator which we have 2 brackets that will write down, which are 2 plus 3i multiplied by 2 minus 3i, which is equal to 9 upon 13 into 1 plus I. Now if we check in denominator, numerator में तो जहां पे भी आपको I square दिखेगा उस टर्म का साइन सिंपली चेंज कर दो, बिकॉज I square का वैल्यू -1 होता है. So let's simplify and then we think about denominator. So we will write on 2x minus 3x साथ में I plus 2y in with this I, and now this minus 3y, but because of I square this minus become plus. Similarly plus 4 plus 2y plus 6i, and again we have 3 because of I square, this plus 3 become minus 3. And in denominator if we check, they are following a formula, and that formula is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So instead of a we will write down 2 the whole square minus 3i the whole square. This is what we follow the formula, and on right hand side we'll write on the same term, which is 9 divided by 13 multiplied by 1 plus I. Now think about the like terms, write them together, मतलब all real term together. So what we get in numerator, सब real term को साथ में लिखेंगे जिसके साथ I नहीं है. 2x plus 3y plus 4 minus 3. These are the term which not having I. Now write down those term having I. So we will get minus 3x plus 2y, and next we have 2i plus 6i, which directly you can write on 8i, and I तो सब में था तो वो हमने कॉमन ले लिया. And now whole divided by, so what we are getting in division 4, which is a square of 2, and 3 का square is 9 in between minus, but 9 के साथ में I square भी आने वाला है, and because of that I square this minus 9 become plus 9 is equal to 9 upon 13 multiplied by 1 plus I. This is what the next term we are getting. So in denominator, if you observe, this 4 plus 9 gives you 13, and here also we have 13. So this 13 and 13 will cancel. So after cancellation of this, what we do, we compare two complex number, because what we get in numerator, again a complex number, and on right hand side also we have 9 into 1 plus I, which is a complex number. So let's continue from this further step. We get 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 into I is equal to 9 into 1 plus I. Now multiply 9 inside the bracket. What we get? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड तो अब कुछ और सिंप्लीफाई नहीं होने वाला है. 3y प्लस 1 प्लस माइनस 3x प्लस 2y प्लस 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय i इज इक्वल टू 9 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वी विल गेट 9 प्लस 9i. नाउ कंपेयर रियल पार्ट विथ रियल पार्ट. दैट गिव्स यू 2x प्लस 3y plus 1 is equal to 9, and when we simplify we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 1 को हमने लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट कर दिया. It is a linear equation. Similarly now compare imaginary part with imaginary part, मतलब I वाला I वाले के साथ. So that gives you minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 9. दोनों साइड आई होता है इसलिए आई लिखने का जरूरत नहीं होता, वो कैंसिल हो गया रहता है. सो माइनस 3x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस 8 गिव्स यू 1, which is the second equation. So now you have two equation. When you solve equation number 1 and equation number 2, you can find out value of x as well as value of y. तो ये वैल्यू आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Therefore I am expecting from you all. सॉल्व करके आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर इसके आंसर्स को लिखें. So next lecture when we'll continue with the exercise 1.2. For that we require these concepts. So thank you for watching our video till end. Thank you.